Step onto the court sporting a new design unlike any other from Adidas. Hi, I'm Louis with Tennis Express, and today I bring you the new Roland Garros Y3 Adizero Feather Tennis Shoe for men. Japanese floral prints pop against the black exterior for a fun and exciting look. High-performance AdiTuff technology keeps your foot protected from abrasion caused by frequent movements. It also features Adiprene Plus, a resilient cushioning used to provide a responsive and dynamic feel so you can be more explosive on court while keeping your feet and joints safe at impact. Signature Adidas AdiWear 6 technology takes this shoe to the next level of durability with non-marking, high-quality rubber used primarily for areas with heavy wear and tear. An external dual-density Y3 heel frame will maintain optimal positioning of the foot so you feel secure as you make your cuts on the court. Spot this shoe on French star Jo-Wilfried Tsonga. Like the Roland Garros Y3 Adizero Feather Tennis Shoe? Why wait? Click the Shop Now button below to order it now. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out our other great shoe videos on the Tennis Express YouTube channel.